This video tutorial is all about lemon sorbetto, a classic Italian flavor. This sorbet is everything you want: creamy, smooth, bright, and deeply flavored, and it's incredibly simple. If you've made my sorbet syrups, I share 2 versions on the channel. The only other ingredient is lemons. That's it. This recipe is adapted from my book, The Art of Making Gelato, and tuned for gelato-shop texture. I'm excited to share it. Let's get started. To get that gelato-shop texture, serve this sorbet fresh or let it sit in the refrigerator or at room temperature until it scoops easily. Check out my video on serving tips for more. Creamy, tangy, irresistibly lemon, this will be your go-to lemon sorbet from here on out. No spreadsheets, no complicated calculations, just real Italian gelato made easy. For more gelato tips, recipes, and tutorials, check out the other videos on my channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Want to learn more? Visit my website for free and premium resources, full recipes, gelato FAQs, and expert support. Thanks for watching.
For the love of gelato!